Okay, today we're gonna do the oil change on a 2003 Civic, the 1.7 liter. It's got 153,000 miles on it. Use Mobile One. That's the engine oil filter. This is what I'm gonna use for motor oil. Mobile One 530, high mileage. Let's take a look under the car. I already took off the engine oil cap. The motor's a little bit warm. It's gonna be a 17 millimeter for the oil drain plug. Want the pan? I change the oil on this every 3,000 miles or so. Always check to make sure that the rubber is still on the filter. Make sure it didn't stay up on the housing. Okay, I cleaned all the old oil from the oil filter housing. Make sure the old rubber wasn't there. And a good tip is to always use some old oil and apply it to the seal of the oil filter. That way it comes off easier next time when you go to change it. Just put it on there, just snug it down. There you go, that's tight enough right there. Okay. Now make sure you clean up all your old oil. That way, after next time when you change your oil, if you see any new oil leaks, you'll be able to tell it wasn't the old oil from the change. I put a new crush washer every other time of oil change, so I'll put a new crush washer next time. There you go. All the old oil is drained. New oil filter. Drain plug is tight. Now we're just gonna lower the car and add just under 4 quarts of oil. Very easy. Okay, I put 3.5 quarts. Now I started the car up, let it warm up for 20-30 seconds. Shut it off, check the oil, and you might have to add some. Always put a little bit less because you can always add more after. And that's about it. That's how you change oil on an 03 Civic. Like I said, just under 4 quarts, like 3 3/4 quarts. And that's it, very simple. Especially when you have a lift like this. Why pay someone to do it when you can do it yourself? Right there, you want to go to the, on these Civics, you want to go to the top dot. Those, in between those dots, it is about a quart. So if you're at the bottom dot, you're a quart low. And you want to go right there, just right to the top of right underneath the top dot, right there. You're full. Okay, now the only thing next left is to update your oil change sticker. And that's about it.